Nicaragua map of Nicaragua in the Americas. Flag Nicaraguan flag. Coat of arms of Nicaragua. Demographic and historic. Nicaragua map of Nicaragua. Nicaragua map of Nicaragua in the Americas. Flag Nicaraguan flag. Coat of arms of Nicaragua. Demographic and historical evolution of the Nicaraguan population since the first official census, carried out in 1906. Year population. Nicaragua population and housing census 20th century. First 1906 steady 501,849. 1906 Nicaraguan census. Second 1920 increase 633,622. 1920 Nicaraguan census. Third 1940 increase 829,831. 1940 Nicaraguan census. Fourth 1950 increase 1,049,611. 1950 Nicaraguan census. Fifth 1963 increase 1,535,588. 1963 Nicaraguan census. Sixth 1971 increase 1,877,952. 1971 Nicaraguan census. Seventh 1995 increase 4,357,099. 1995 Nicaraguan census. 21st century. 8th 2005 increase 5,142,098. 2005 Nicaraguan census. Panama map of Panama in the Americas. Flag Panamanian flag. Coat of arms of Panama. Demographic and historical evolution of the Panamanian population since the first official census carried out in 1911. Year population. Panama population and housing census 20th century. First 1911 steady 336,742. 1911 Panamanian census. Second 1920 increase 446,098. 1920 Panamanian census. Third 1930 increase 467,459. 1930 Panamanian census. Fourth 1940 increase 622,576. 1940 Panamanian census. Fifth 1950 increase 805,285. 1950 Panamanian census. Sixth 1960 increase 1,075,541. 1960 Panamanian census. Seventh 1970 increase 1,428,082. 1970 Panamanian census. Eighth 1980 increase 1,805,287. 1980 Panamanian census. Ninth 1990 increase 2,329,329. 1990 Panamanian census. 21st century. 10th 2000 increase 2,839,177. 2000 Panamanian census. 11th 2010 Increase 3,405,813 2010 Panamanian Census 12th 2023 Increase 4,064,780 2023 Panamanian Census Paraguay Map of Paraguay in the Americas Paraguayan flag Coat of arms of Paraguay Demographic and historical evolution of the Paraguayan population since the first official census carried out in 1846. Year population Paraguay population and housing census 19th century 1st 1846 steady 233,394 1846 Paraguayan census 2nd 1870 decrease 116,351 1870 Paraguayan census 20th century 3rd 1950 increase 1,328,452 1950 Paraguayan census 4th 1962 increase 1,819,103 1962 Paraguayan census 5th 1972 increase 2,357,955 1972 Paraguayan census 6th 1982 increase 3,029,830 1982 Paraguayan census 7th 1992 increase 4,152,588 1992 Paraguayan census 21st century 8th 2002 increase 5,163,198 2002 Paraguayan census 9th 2012 increase 6,461,041 2012 Paraguayan census 10th 2022 decrease 6,109,644 2022 Paraguayan census Peru main article Census in Peru The first census in Peru was carried out in 1836. The 12th and latest one was the 2017 census and was carried out by Instituto Nacional de Estadística y Informática in October 2017. Map of Peru in the Americas flag Peruvian flag Coat of arms of Peru Demographic and historical evolution of the Peruvian population since the first official census carried out in 1836. Year population Peru population and housing census 51, 52 19th century 1st 1836 steady 1,873,736 1836 Peruvian census 2nd 1850 increase 2,001,203 1850 Peruvian census 3rd 1862 increase 2,487,916 1,862. Peruvian census 4th 1876 increase 2,699,105 1876 Peruvian census 20th century 5th 1940 increase 7,023,111 1940 Peruvian census 6th 1961 increase 10,420,357 1961 Peruvian census 7th 1972 increase 14,121,564 1972 Peruvian census 8th 1981 increase 17,762,231 1981 Peruvian census 9th 1993 increase 22,639,443 1993 Peruvian census 21st century 10th 2005 increase 27,219,264 2005 Peruvian census 11th 2007 increase 28,220,764 2007 Peruvian census 12th 2017 increase 31,237,385 2017 Peruvian census 2022 increase 33,396,700 INEI estimates 53 13th 2027 projection 2027 Peruvian census Uruguay map of Uruguay in the Americas Uruguayan flag coat of arms of Uruguay demographic and historical evolution of the Uruguayan population since the first official census carried out in 1852. Year population Uruguay population and housing census 19th century 1st 1852 steady 131,969 1852 Uruguayan census 2nd 1860 increase 223,238 1860 Uruguayan census 20th century 3rd 1908 increase 1,042,686 1908 Uruguayan census 4th 1963 increase 2,595,510 1963 Uruguayan census 5th 1975 increase 2,788,429 1975 Uruguayan census 6th 1985 increase 2,955,241 1985 Uruguayan census 7th 1996 increase 3,137,188 1996 Uruguayan census 21st century 8th 2004 increase 3,241,003 2004 Uruguayan census 9th 2011 increase 3,286,314 2011 Uruguayan census 10th 2023 increase 3,444,263 2023 Uruguayan census Venezuela. The study of the population in Venezuela is in charge of the National Institute of Statistics, which is in charge of collecting, analyzing and publishing data. Its best-known publication is the Population Census, which is carried out in a period of no more than 15 years. The last study of this type was carried out in 2011 between September and November. 59. Map of Venezuela in the Americas flag Venezuelan flag coat of arms of Venezuela demographic and Historical evolution of the Venezuelan population since the first official census carried out in 1873. Year population Venezuela population and housing census 19th century first 1873 steady 1,732,411 1873 Venezuelan census second 1881 increase 2,005,139 1881 Venezuelan census third 1891 increase 2,221,572. 1891 Venezuelan census 20th century 4th 1920 increase 2,479,525 1920 Venezuelan census 5th 1926 increase 2,814,131 1926 Venezuelan census 6th 1936 increase 3,364,347 1936 Venezuelan census 7th 1941 increase 3,850,771 1941 Venezuelan census 8th 1950 increase 5,034,838 1950 Venezuelan census 9th 1961 increase 7,523,999 1961 Venezuelan census 10th 1971 increase 10,721,522 1971 Venezuelan census 11th 1981 increase 14,516,735 1981 Venezuelan census 12th 1990 increase 18,105,265 1990 Venezuelan census 21st century 13th 2001 increase 23,054,210 2001 Venezuelan census 14th 2011 increase 27,227,930 2011 Venezuelan census 2021 increase 28,199,867 World Bank estimates 60